Atkins Civil 3D video series, Sewer 4A, existing sewer demolition pipe network. This video illustrates A. Default settings for existing sewer demo. B. Create existing sewer demo pipe networks. C. Merge existing sewer to existing sewer demo. The portions of the existing sewer system that remain in service after completion of construction will be shown on the various category improvement drawings. The portions thereof that are to be removed or abandoned will not be shown. In order to accomplish this, the existing sewer demo and existing sewer service demo pipe networks need to be created. The portions of the existing sewer and existing sewer service parts that are to be removed or abandoned will be split from their current network and merged into the respective demo network. At the location where a C sewer pipe is connected to an existing sewer pipe, a pipe break needs to be inserted into the existing sewer pipe. In order to maintain the correct pipe invert elevations, the manhole and the pipes connected thereto must be merged at the same time. Since the manholes and pipes are interconnected, all pipes and manholes that are to be split and merged in one area need to be selected at the same time. Insert pipe break in existing sewer pipe network, zoom to location and plan view. Pick an existing pipe or manhole in the existing pipe network. Right-click, Edit Network. Use Null Structure for the structure type. Structure Only. At location where the C sewer pipe joins existing sewer pipe, hover over pipe until Connect glyph appears and pick. Escape. Erase the null structure. Enter. Pick the pipes on each side. They are shown as separate pipes. Escape. Repeat for all existing sewer locations. Use similar procedures to insert pipe breaks in existing sewer service pipe network. Existing sewer demo, default settings, tool space, right-click drawing name, edit drawing settings, object layers, pipe, existing sewer demo, pipe labeling, existing sewer text, pipe and structure table, existing sewer text, pipe network section, existing sewer demo, pipe or structure profile, existing sewer demo, structure, existing sewer demo, structure labeling, existing sewer text. Right-click pipe network, edit feature settings, default styles, structure default style, existing sewer demo, pipe default style, existing sewer demo. All the label styles are existing sewer plan or existing sewer profile. Default parts list, existing sewer demo. Default name format, network name template, existing sewer demo. OK. Create the existing sewer demo pipe network. Ensure drawing is in world coordinates. UCS enter. W enter. Home ribbon, create design. Pipe network icon. Pipe network creation tools. Network name, existing sewer demo. Parts list, existing sewer demo. Layers, existing sewer demo. OK. Surface name. The existing uses the existing surface. Alignment name, Ken Crown. Surface label style, existing sewer plan. Pipe label style, existing sewer plan. OK. Merge existing sewer pipes and manholes to existing sewer demo. Turn off all layers except EX sewer so that pipes and manholes can easily be selected. LA enter. Right-click all. Visibility off. Turn on layer EX sewer. Close layer manager. If the network layout tools dialog box is not displayed and no parts have been created, prospector, pipe networks, right-click existing sewer demo, edit network, escape. Pick all connected pipes and manholes that will be removed or abandoned in one area. Use window selection at various locations. When all pipes and manholes have been selected, in the context-sensitive ribbon, select Split Network. Select a network. Select Existing Sewer Demo. OK. While the EX Sewer Demo parts are selected, use Properties palette to change the part style. Pick the arrow to the right of all, Structures, Style, pick the current style, Existing Sewer Demo, Arrow, Pipes, pick the current style, Existing Sewer Demo. Escape. Existing Sewer Service Demo Default Settings, Tool Space, right-click Drawing Name, Edit Drawing Settings, Object Layers, Pipe, Existing Sewer Service Demo, Pipe Network Section, Existing Sewer Service Demo, Pipe or Structure Profile, Existing Sewer Service Demo, Structure, Existing Sewer Service Demo. OK. Right-click Pipe Network, Edit Feature Settings, Default Styles, Pipe Default Style, Existing Sewer Service Demo, Structure Default Style, Existing Sewer Service Demo, Default Parts List, Existing Sewer Service Demo, Default Name Format, Network Name Template, Existing Sewer Service Demo. OK. Create Existing Sewer Service Demo Pipe Network, Home Ribbon, Pipe Network Creation Tools, Name Existing Sewer Service Demo, Parts List Existing Sewer Service Demo, Layers, Existing Sewer Service Demo, OK. Surface Name, Existing Surface with Aerial, Alignment Name, Tin Crown, Structure Label Style, Existing Sewer Service Demo, Pipe Label Style, Existing Sewer Service Demo. OK. For this video, all layers have been turned off except Existing Sewer Service and Construct Sewer so that pipes can easily be selected. Merge Existing Sewer Service pipes into the Existing Sewer Service Demo. Pick existing pipe that will be removed or abandoned, the portion that extends from the cleanout toward the Construct Sewer main. In the context-sensitive ribbon, pick Split Network. Select a network, Existing Sewer Service Demo, OK. While pipes are selected, use Properties palette to change the style. Pick the current style, Existing Sewer Service Demo. Escape. Repeat for all existing sewer service parts that need to be merged. When working with the water improvement drawing, it was determined that pressure networks cannot be split and merged in the same manner as with gravity pipe networks. As set forth in Video Water 4A, a separate drawing had to be created in order to create the pressure networks for the existing water facilities that are to remain in service after construction. Post-demo was added to the name of these networks. As a result, existing water referred to both the water facilities that are to be removed or abandoned during construction and those that are to remain in service after construction. To alleviate any confusion between what is to be removed and what is to remain in service when working with the various data shortcuts, the name of the existing sewer networks needs to be changed to Existing Sewer Post Demo, which is easily accomplished. The color of the existing sewer networks have been changed to white. In Prospector, Pipe Networks, right-click Existing Sewer, Network Properties, Information, Add Post Demo. Apply, OK. Existing Sewer Service, right-click, Network Properties, Information tab, Add Post Demo. Apply, OK. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.